Welcome. This is Neco, year 2019 Civic Education Past Question. Question number 6. Intercommunal relationship promote dash. When we talk of intercommunal relationship, means the relationship between two or more communities. That is intercommunal relationship. That is intercommunal relationship promote dash. A. Anarchy. Anarchy means conflict. Anarchy means conflict. Ethnocentrism. Ethnocentrism means self-ethnic group or ethnicism. Then peace. Peace means tranquility. Then rivalry. Rivalry means enemy or antagonistic. Then sentiment. Sentiment means self-center. So the correct option here is option C. So intercommunal relationship promotes peace. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.